I'm back. As you can see, I've finished the 8 rows to separate Craig's first and last names, and I'm ready to start doing the stripes for his last name. Something I wanted to point out is that when you get to the other side of the scarf and you're doing the Morse code stripes for the other side, you need to reverse everything. For instance, this Craig's, when I get to the other side, the first stripe that I do is going to be a dash, because his last name ends with a T, which is a dash. Then I'm going to reverse the order then I'm going to reverse the order for the N, which would be a dash dot. And then reverse the order for the U, which would be a dash dot dot. And you just want to reverse things, otherwise it won't make any sense to anyone who knows Morse code, because everything will be turned around. Not both the letters and the Morse code. So that's something to keep in mind when you get to the other end of the scarf. But right now I'm just going to start the stripes for Craig's last name, and when I'm done with that, I'll come back and tell you what comes after that, which would be basically it's 120 stitches where you're going around the neck. And that's just a general rule. I usually do 120 stitches for that, or 120 rows for that. But if the person has a bigger neck or a smaller neck, or using a different size set of needles, it might be a different count. Just keep in mind how much room you need to go around the neck when you're doing that portion of the scarf. But like I said, I'll be back when I finish Craig's last name to show you what comes next. See you then.